Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to change password on HyperPay. To change your password for your HyperPay Wallet app, first of all, open the application on your mobile device. Soon after you open up the HyperPay app, make sure that you're signed into your wallet. After you're inside the home page, click on the human icon located at the top left corner. Now, click on Security Center. Scroll down and click on the Change Password button in order to change your wallet's password under Security Settings. Now, enter your login password first in order to change to a new one. After entering your current login password, tap on the little arrow at the bottom right. On the next page, enter your new login password you want to change to in the first tab. After entering your password that matches the criteria mentioned right underneath, repeat the password once again in the next tab. Finally, tap on the blue arrow at the bottom right again, and that's how you easily change your password for HyperPay. Now, every time you log into your account or when prompted, you will now need to type in the newly updated password to access your wallet. And that's it. That is how you easily change your password. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.